Alright guys, you were asking how this jig worked. There were a couple people that didn't understand how it worked, so I figured I would do a little video here and show y'all how it worked. Sorry about the camera there. Pretty simple. 2 sheets of 1/2-inch birch plywood. Got a runner on it, follows the miter slot. Got a stop right here. Slides in, positive stop, so it don't go no further. The adjustment is a sliding dovetail. Some ideas I've found on YouTube for some different ways to adjust it. I have this small one. I can flip this around and have your pivot point out here, and then I have a runner that is 3 foot long, so I can cut circles in theory up to 6 foot in diameter if I want to. Got a little 1/8 inch nail just cut off and recessed right there. But to operate, you get you a measurement from here to here of your radius. We're going to cut a little 5-inch circle. Measure from your blade to your tooth or your pivot point there. And then what we'll do is take our board. We've already got a little hole drilled in it. Put it on there. I'm not the best cameraman, people, so anyways, we'll put it on there and then we'll start our cut and then spin this and hopefully make a perfect circle. So let me get this camera set back here and hopefully y'all can see that. Yeah, okay. So these other ones out of the way I've made. Alright, turn the dust collection on and I will show you how this thing works. You can see right there, pretty simple, pretty easy, effective, and we worked, and we're right at 5 inches right there. So that's what I had it set for. I had 2.5-inch radius and 5-inch circle. So it's an easy way to make your circles, and a lot better than cutting them out by hand and having to do that. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hope this helps y'all.